What's up guys, Shamil here, new auto glass, working on a 17 Corvette Sport. This one is heads up display. As you can see, I took the cowling off. Basic stuff. My glove is ripped. It goes in the channel. There's some plastic clips under it. Gotta take this plastic part off with the glass stick. Nothing complicated. Now gotta take the side molding so that this comes off here. You got screws under it come off. Then after that I gotta take the visor down, take the whole top panel down because there's some wires and stuff. I know a lot of people are afraid to work on these, but it's actually not that scary. Alright, I took the molding off. Side molding has screws, few screws. So if you look over here, screws 1, where is it? Where's the other one? 2, 3, and then there's one on the side 4, and then it's under the silver channel. Oh, that's a piece of my glove. There's a few more. Once you take it off, that's what it looks like under it. Be careful with everything. Just clip right there. That's it. Alright, let's take the other side off, and then next step is taking the top trim and the mirror off. Alright, so take the top trim off, screws right here. You ain't gotta take this side, it stops right here. So you got a screw right there, and then take the mirror off. It twists. So what you could do is take your regular pliers, put tape around it so you don't scratch it. Twist, clip onto it from the back, just twist it. Be careful. Just be careful. Expensive car, you don't scratch nothing. So here you go. Black tape, Marcy tape helps. Alright, let's take this down. There's a metal clips here, so let's just pull this down. Alright, the top trim is off. You got metal clips. It's a lot of wires, so let it hang for now, because that plate right there, it's gonna go on the glass, so you gotta take everything off. It's already off the glass. Just gotta be careful not to pull anything down. Then that's how it looks. So let it hang, just be careful not to push anything down too fast. Alright, glass is off. It was cut with the orange bat. This is what it looks like under the windshield. That's the connects to the windshield after it's installed. So everything is on the glass. Condensation sensor, the mirror is hanging there. That's the last part. So that's the cut with the orange bat and P8 line. Reason I chose orange bat, because I asked George which tool should I use. He said go with orange bat, so I cut it with orange bat. Alright, let's trim this down and start prepping the other windshield. And the other windshield is OEM glass because of the heads-up display. Alright, the windshield is set. Bead is a V bead with the Xpress 30 Dow. So perfectly nice. The top is blended. VIN number is right there. Here we go. This is OEM glass. So windshield is set. Now I gotta put everything back on. Put all that stuff back on. And he making noise over there. Anyway. Anyway, so there you go. Thank you for watching, guys. That's a Corvette. Just a quick tips what to watch for. Didn't want to make a long video. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.